International Airport, State of QATAR, aboard QATAR Airways flight QAR849, qualifies for special assistance and additional time to be board the aircraft first, where our representative will be free to assist you through our dedicated
I expect generally good weather conditions for a route with occasional light bumpiness, so please ensure that you have your seatbelts fastened all the time, even if the seatbelt sign has been switched off. The latest weather report from Kuala, pretty much the same like in Phuket. Light wind from the north, in the vicinity some thunderstorms, temperature around 30 degrees centigrade. I shall be speaking to you again just prior to our descent to give an update on the weather and arrival time at Kuala Lumpur. Cabin Service Director Miss Sirin and the crew will look after your safety and comfort. We trust you will enjoy our 5-star in-flight services. Have a pleasant stay on board. Thank you.
We welcome you on board this QATAR Airways flight QR849 to Doha by Kuala Lumpur. We'd like to extend a special welcome to our Privileged Club members and one of our frequent flyers on board. Privileged Club is QATAR Airways award-winning frequent flyer program. To enroll, please contact your cabin crew. They remind all customers to have your mobile phone switched to the flight safe mode once the aircraft commences movement on ground during takeoff and for landing. Please be reminded that this is non-smoking flight and the use of electronic cigarette is not permitted at any time. As we consider your safety to be of the utmost importance, please give your attention to the safety video being screened shortly. Thank you.
Baggage should now have been securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments, since some items may have moved during the flight. If you plan to sleep during the flight, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and visible to cabin crew. Emergency landing on water, the evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card which is in your seat pocket. And if you have any questions, our cabin crew will be happy to help.
سترة النجاة موجودة تحت مقعدك أو تحت مسند الذراع بين المقاعد. عند سماع توجيهات الطاقم يجب إخراج سترة النجاة وارتداؤها. اربط الحزام حول خصرك وادخل المشبك في مكانه مع شده لإحكامه. يجب نفخ السترة عند مغادرة الطائرة فوق ملامسة الماء. ستوزع سترات النجاة للرضع من قبل طاقم الطائرة.
insecticide sprays. Should you feel that this may affect you in any way, you're advised to cover your nose and mouth. We apologize for any discomfort. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur International Airport with the local time now. It's 10 minutes to 8 o'clock in the evening. Please be informed it is now safe to use your mobile phones if you wish to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, next time you fly with us, check in online at QATAR.com. Enhance experience and save time at the airport. Choose your seat, print your boarding pass, and use the fastback drop counters at the airport to check in your luggage with these. QATAR.com, it couldn't be simpler. On behalf of QATAR Airways, One World Alliance, Captain Jonas, First Officer Tariq, and the entire cabin crew, we do hope you have enjoyed your short flight with us, and thank you for flying QATAR Airways. Wish you a pleasant stay here in Kuala Lumpur or safe onward journey to your final destination. Very good evening. Cabin crew descend off arrival and cost check.